What's going on, gang? I am clocked in. You are locked in to another episode of Fish Gets Fishing. And I did something stupid just now. I needed memory on the card, and I deleted my intro. So here goes my intro. It was a little bit darker when I had got out here. And you guys will see the bluefish that I connected with that was pill and drag. So this is my intro right here. It's light outside right now. Still Saturday. Still out here. We're fishing with Cody. He's over there fluking. But yeah, this is the same day, but it's gonna look a little weird. Go get him, gang. We out here. We got action, gang. Yep. Yep, that's exactly what it is out there jumping like that. Damn, I hate this bell shit. We on, gang? Oh, we got a jump there with the bell. That's alright. That's annoying anyway. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. He's all the way by your stuff. Oh no. Where is he? Stay on the right of me. Oh shit, he's in your rod, that's why. Real quick, early morning, not even 20 minutes here, half an hour. And look, connected already. Go get him, gang. We out here. And they out here too. Oh yeah. Choppers. Fishing with Bodie is on. Let's go, baby. Cocktail. You want this or you? Yeah, hell yeah, because you got that little rod. Look at this, gang. Nice cocktail action. Go get him, gang. We out here, baby. Yeah, Bo. Got your blue. Yeah, Bo. Yeah, Bo. Yeah, Bo. Party with the cocktail. Let's go. Oh, yeah. He's out here, baby. Go get him, gang. That's a nice cocktail, y'all. Definitely good eater right there. Yes, I can. Go get him, gang. Look at that. Body's in business. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one that my man got right here. Go get him, gang. Whoa. Chopper, chopper blue. Woo.
Thank you. Sorry.
Way to go, my man.
Now I know.
You wasn't swinging that.
I ain't swinging
You
that.
wasn't swinging that.
I'm not swinging that at
You
all.
wasn't swinging that. I saw you swing the other one.
I'm like,
I saw the other one you swung. I was like, he knows what he's doing. But when I saw this one, I was like, no way you swinging that, bro.
oh, man.
Way to go, bro.
Thank you. You almost took his spot, too.
Way to go, bro. What's your name?
Ming.
Maine?
Ming, M-I-N-G.
Ming?
Nice meeting you.
All right. James,
Thank
man.
you. Thank you so much, James.
No problem. Oh, yeah. Ming is on fire.
Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up.
Let's see that.
You know, nice one, man.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, check
much for the
check out the channel, man. You'll be on it.
You got it.
Fish Gut 73.
Okay.
All
Fishing
right.
with Bordy, you be on both videos.
Yep. Ming. Good action, gang. Oh. An off. Damn. I had one. Damn. Oh. Here we go, gang. Running over here with the net to try to help my man over here. Keep tight, Pop. Keep reeling. Keep tight. Keep tight. Come on. Come on. Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Helping Pop out. He got a big tangle over here, but he got one, guys. Go get him, gang. They out here. Help them out with that. Here we go, guys. Bluefish ended. Oh, he got him in the eye. Foul hook. Foul hook, Pop. Foul hook. Foul hook. Foul on the play. Go get him, y'all. We out here. Yeah, gang. Look who I pulled up on. MB Una Cichlids, Nick Outdoors. You know what I'm saying? What's going on? You know. So I was just letting them know. You could let them know a little bit more about yourself, where they could find you at and things like that. You know what I'm saying?
Follow me on YouTube and Nick's Outdoors. You know, I also breed African cichlids. You know, I like the aquarium hobby. But you can follow me on Instagram or YouTube.
Okay, cool. So you hear that, gang? Nick Outdoors, MB Una Cichlids. He's out here trying to get on these fish. They here, but I don't know what's going on. It's slowed down right now, but we still got a shot. So go get him, gang. We out here, and he's out here with his dad, Big John.
I haven't fished here in 40 years.
Wow.
This is the first time in 40. When I was 19, I used to come here.
Okay.
The old bridge.
Yeah. A lot of people been telling me about it. I hear a lot of stories about that. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of Fish Guts Fishing. Today was a good one. We got us a nice size blue right here, a nice big one. And there was a lot of action on the bridge today, as you guys should have seen if you made it this far. And was out here with Fishing with Baldy. You know what I'm saying? He was out here doing this thing too. Got himself a nice cocktail, 23-incher, believe it or not. But yeah, we was out here doing our thing, trying to make it happen, and we did. So you already know, gang. To the next episode, go get 'em. We out here. Oh yeah.